H P Blavatsky in England, 1887 to 1891, read by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. This piece is an extract from H P Blavatsky, An Outline of Her Life, by Herbert Whyte. The grave illness at Ostend, from which Madame Blavatsky so marvellously recovered, was followed by 4 years of strenuous work in London, work which formed the foundation for many of our well-established activities. The Secret Doctrine was gradually completed and finally published. It stands alone in our literature, head and shoulders above any other books we have. A veritable mine to which the student may return over and over again, and always find something new and precious. Then HPB translated The Voice of the Silence, a book which comes from early Buddhist days and which mellows the wisdom of its words by that atmosphere of compassion which is so characteristic of the Buddha's teaching. The Key to Theosophy was also written, and Lucifer, now known as the Theosophical Review, was started and edited by HPB for nearly 4 years. Besides these literary activities, and owing to the stimulus of her presence, the whole of the movement in England, which had been confined almost entirely to London, grew and flourished exceedingly. This was a wonderful record of work to be done with such a worn-out body. But in addition to it, HPB continued the perhaps still more important task of training pupils so that the movement might be carried on when she left. The Blavatsky Lodge was formed, and before long a wide circle of pupils and sympathisers gathered round her, among whom were some of the best of our English workers. On first coming to London, a house in Norwood was taken, but it was soon found too small and inconvenient, and a move was made to Lansdowne Road, where a larger house was taken. Madame Blavatsky occupied rooms on the ground floor. For 12 hours a day she would work at her desk, and the evening would receive visitors. Strangely varied visitors they were too. Well-known men of science, learned professors, literary men, agnostics and socialists, artists, all finding something of attraction in this wonderful Russian woman whose profound knowledge commanded attention and respect. On Thursday evenings she would be present at the meeting of the Blavatsky Lodge and answer questions in elucidation of different points in her writings.